Alrighty, today we're doing something different for the channel. Kind of gonna switch gears, start doing more automotive and off-road sort of stuff. Starting today with a little bit of both worlds. My 92 Jeep Cherokee. God, just ran over a cat. When I go into drive, it clunks super hard. So I'm gonna try replacing the U-joint from the drive shaft to the rear differential, seeing if that helps at all. I also got a little bit of a squeak and a lot of like clunky road noise. So I'm gonna try that and see if that helps. I've checked my differential. Nothing there was raising any alarms. I bought new tires since. So really the only thing I can think of now is that U-joint. So we're gonna replace that today and see what happens. Stay tuned. So this is what we're dealing with today. It's this U-joint in here from my drive shaft going to the rear differential. As these get old, the boots dry out and lose a lot of the grease, and the grease dries up and whatnot, so they can get kind of poopy. So we went off-roading like a month ago, and pretty sure that's what is causing all the noise, because the noise started about a month ago. So kind of just been doing a process of elimination deal, trying to see what could be the culprit. But now I've kind of drawn to this guy, so this is what we're going to change out today, and hopefully it solves the problem. So hopefully I can kind of show the play that this thing's going to have. Because I was able to get it to shift a bit at work the other day. No, it doesn't. She shook a second ago. There it is. Yeah, that's bad. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if I got that on camera, but there it is. Yeah. It's safe to say that's messed up. Yeah, that's bad. There it is. Okay, so next step will just be pulling off these 4 bolts. Pretty simple. When I get it off, I'll let you know what size it is for the 92 Cherokees, but pull those 4 bolts off, and we'll take the drive shaft out and pop that U-joint, bring in the new one, and hopefully it should be a semi-smooth process. Famous last words. Alrighty, well, here's what we're working with. So there's our old U-joint. Just look how crusty that thing is. Here's one of the caps. Maybe. It's actually broke, like the metal broke. Not just the boot, but the metal. And there are no bearings. Bearings have long since left the chat. And if you look there, that cap is actually like stuck in there. I'm gonna have to like hammer that one out. So it's safe to say these guys weren't helping no one. Like, not at all. Not doing their job. Long gone since left the chat. Alright, so here is what we're working with to remove and install the new U-joints. This is a tool I just rented from O'Reilly's. It's a dedicated U-joint press. Basically, this rod here goes through this little piece here, and you throw an impact socket on and throw your ugga-dugga a few times, and it just twists and pushes these guys out enough to get one cap off. And then you have enough clearance to get your other side of the U-joint out. So I'm gonna do that quick and then show you what remains of the old U-joint because it looks rough. You're just gonna have to accept that for now. That's what we're gonna get. Yeah, so now I gotta remember. I used this last year when I did these on Silverado. So I kind of know what I'm doing, kind of don't, just like about every other thing I do. I believe it's a 22mm socket. Indeed. So throw that guy on the old Milwaukee. So then what we'll do from there is get this guy set up so I can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this with a cat molesting me at the same time, but YouTube's not gonna like that, are they? I said the word molest. So you just gotta make sure that U-joint's gonna have clearance, that cap, excuse me, is gonna have clearance so you don't bust it. So now we'll take, oh my God, you can't even see. Okay, so the cap is now exposed, so potentially, which I'm willing to bet won't be the case. Ow! Woo! Just pinched my finger. That felt great. Might need to just bust it all the way through. That thing's gonna be on there so bad. We're just gonna give her the full bust. I think that's as far as I'm gonna be able to go with it. So, are these gonna open wide enough? Yes. Hopefully with these guys I can... Nope, they're just gonna spin around. Got one wide. Harbor Freight tools for the win. Maybe. We'll see. Give it another spin just for good luck. That's going to do the same thing. Dude, I'm gonna have to cut these damn things off. I'm half tempted just to try to break one of these damn caps. God, I cannot believe this thing would even drive like this. There's always gotta be something. If it ain't nothing, you know. How's it go? If it ain't something, it's nothing. Or if it's nothing, it's something. I don't know. This is the point of the project where you just start talking to yourself like a psycho. All right, so about an hour later, I got the U-joint out of the drive shaft. Here's the drive shaft. No damage to the drive shaft, thank God. But look at this. Like, these things wouldn't even turn. It was stuck. I wish you could feel how deep the grooves are. You can probably see it. I mean, just how and how dry the grease is. I hope the video does justice to how deep the grooves are. In the ends there, if I can get it to focus. Oh man, what's going on? Come on. All right, I think I got a clip of it a second. But I mean, like I had to grind this thing off just to even almost get it started. Like, these caps were not gonna get pulled off. Look at the grease in there. Nasty. So now we're gonna put the new one in and hope it fits. All right, got the U-joints installed. Now we're gonna do our first little test. I'm just gonna prop her up and, or prop up my phone somewhere, maybe. And throw her in gear, see what happens. Oh yeah. Well, with that, I think we're in much better shape than we were prior. So I'll take that as a win for today. Even though I'm pretty sure I have a coolant leak now. So that'll probably be another video here soon. I don't know. This Jeep seems to give me more and more problems every day. It's so fun to drive. Really fun off-road. But it's 30 years old. It's more than 30 years old. So, you know, I think that's it. It's at that time in its life where things are just going to start breaking left and right. So, here's another thing for us to make videos on alongside the Silverado, which I don't know if I've featured in this channel. I've made videos before, but I've never posted them. I don't think. I have to look back, but hopefully you guys like the auto stuff, because that's what I'm gonna post more, because that's what I enjoy, and I hope to one day work in the auto industry in some way, shape, or form, either, you know, mechanic wise or off-road, you know, something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm kind of going on that stretch now, but hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did watch all the way, thank you very much. See y'all